free and unlimited AI video and animation generation. These days, a lot of us really need tools that help reduce content production costs as much as possible. So today, I've selected some of the best free AI video generators, and we're going to test them together and see how good their quality actually is. You can use these platforms to create animations and videos with consistent characters, talking avatars, music videos, and even viral style content. These are tools I personally use in my own content production, and in my opinion, they're extremely practical. Each one can handle a different part of a project and really help move things forward. I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
and experiences about making animations and videos,
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. From my perspective, one of the best free AI tools right now that can generate videos without a watermark is Grok. Grok is a chat-based AI similar to ChatGPT, and it's owned by X. At the moment, it's incredibly powerful and professional across many different areas. When it comes to image and video generation, it performs really well. If you want, it can automatically add lip sync, music, and sound effects to your videos.
With Grok, imagine. Thanks. Back to work.
One of its tools is text to video. To get started, you just need to go to the Imagine section, and from the right side of the page, select video. All you have to do is write a simple description of the scene, the characters, the camera, and the sound, and it will generate the video for you. As you can see, the quality is excellent and there's no watermark. If needed, you can also upload reference images or even use the Draw to Sketch feature. Let's try another prompt together. As you can see, its animation capabilities are truly impressive. Honestly, a lot of the viral videos you're seeing these days were probably generated using Grok. Now let's move over to the image section and test that as well. Here too, you just need to write a relatively detailed prompt and you'll get your images in a very short time, completely for free. What's really interesting is that Grok also generates multiple suggested images based on your prompt, and they're all ready for you right there. You can easily turn any of these images into a video and animate them. You can do some really cool things with Grok. For example, you can generate animation storyboards using the same character and then convert them into videos. In my opinion, Grok is one of the best free tools out there. Most of the time, it doesn't even have a daily limit. That said, in some countries or locations, it might temporarily limit you to around 20 videos per day. Still, the quality is so good that even with daily limits, it's more than satisfying.
The second AI platform is Meta AI. Just like Grok, this is also a chat-based platform that lets you generate images and videos for free without watermarks. It supports image to video and text to video, and you can even use it to write scripts. There's also a section called Vibes, where you can create viral style videos specifically for Instagram and Facebook and potentially get a lot of views and likes. These videos can be musical or include dialogue with a lip sync. In the same section, you can remix or recreate any video you like using this icon and generate your own version. If you go to the Create section, you'll see a very simple interface with two main options, image and video. To generate a video, all you need to do is write your prompt to get the result you want. You can also use an image as a reference to make the final output more accurate and then animate it. In the image section, you can generate high-quality images just by writing a simple prompt. You can select any image you like and change its style, or edit it simply by writing a prompt. For animation, you can do it easily without even writing a prompt at all, or you can use the custom animation option to add more details and control. You can even add music to your video right here. In my opinion, it's definitely worth checking out because stricter and heavier limitations might be applied soon, and it may not stay free in the near future.
The third platform that I really like is Wan.video, mainly because it includes a lot of different tools in one place. This platform is also free and unlimited, but the only downside is that the final output includes a watermark, which can be a bit annoying. However, I have an idea that can help solve this issue to some extent, and I'll definitely share it with you at the end of this section. I've already covered and tested this AI in a full video before, so you can check that out as well. It offers a wide range of tools like text to video, image generation, and talking avatars, all of which can be used without consuming credits. Today, though, I want to test two of its newer features. One of them is called starring roles, and it's really interesting. With this feature, you can create a video or animated character, or even use yourself and then place that character into any video you want to play a specific role and speak the dialogue you choose. This feature is very new and really cool. You can use it by recording or uploading a video. There are also some sample videos available here, and I'll test one of them so you can see how it works. Your video can be in 720p or 1080p, and it can be up to 10 seconds long. Just make sure to turn off the Generate with Credits option so you can generate it for free.
Hey, I'm Luna. Nice to meet you.
As you can see, the generated video has accurate lip sync and the character looks exactly like the reference. From here, you can also in-paint, repaint, or extend the video and edit it however you want. Another really cool tool here is Photo Animate. This feature is widely used for trending videos and works in a very simple way. All you need to do is upload an image of a real or animated character along with a video, and it will transfer the motion from the video onto your image. I used one of the AI's own examples here, and you can see the result. This tool works very similarly to motion capture, and you can even use it to replace characters in your videos. So as you can see, you can generate images and videos for free and move your project forward without any risk. If, after everything is done, the final video turns out exactly how you want and is valuable to you, you can then purchase some credits or a premium plan to remove the watermark. This way you can complete an entire project risk-free and only at the very end export a clean video without a watermark. Also, you can run Wan locally on your own system, completely free and without a watermark. I've already explained how to do this in a previous video. Until next time, stay creative.